Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export high quality images from Canva. If you've designed something you're proud of, the last thing you want is a blurry or pixelated export. Whether you're creating graphics for your Shopify store, social media posts, or marketing materials, having a sharp and professional image is key to making a lasting impression. Follow along and I'll show you exactly how to get crisp, professional results every time, so your designs always look their best. Once your design looks the way you want, head to the top right corner of the Canva editor and click the Share button. This is your gateway to all the ways you can get your work out of Canva, and it's where the quality-focused export options live. From the Share menu, choose Download. This opens the Export panel, where you'll select your file type and fine-tune the size before saving. Think of this panel as your final checkpoint to control clarity and file weight. It's like giving your design a final polish before sending it off, ensuring it meets all your quality standards. Next, choose your file type. For most high-quality needs, select PNG. PNG is a great choice because it preserves sharp edges, text, and graphics beautifully, and it supports transparency if your design needs it. For example, if you're designing logos or icons for your Shopify store, PNG is ideal because it will give you a clean, crisp image without any background, making it easy to layer over different colors or backgrounds. If you're prioritizing a smaller file size, choose JPG. JPG is typically smaller in size, which is helpful when you need lighter files for web use. Depending on your plan, JPG may appear as a pro feature. It's a solid option for photos or designs that don't require transparency. As a quick rule of thumb, PNG is perfect for logos, icons, and designs with flat colors or text, while JPG works better for photo-heavy images, like product photos or banners, where file size matters. If you have Canva Pro, adjust the size to increase resolution. Use the size slider and drag it up to the maximum, often something like 3.125 times for PNG, or enter custom dimensions if you know the exact width and height you need. Increasing the size scales your export, giving you more pixels and a sharper result. Especially important if you plan to print or display the image on larger screens, like in-store signage or large website banners. A higher resolution will ensure your design stays crisp and clear at any size. Keep in mind that while upscaling can help, starting with a sufficiently large design canvas is best for pristine clarity. It's always easier to scale down a large design than to try and scale up a small one without losing quality. When your file type and size are set, click the Download button. Canva will process the export and save the file to your default downloads location. Give it a moment to finish, especially if you chose a larger size, as higher quality images take a bit longer to render. Larger files may take a few extra seconds to process, but it's worth the wait for that sharp, high-quality result. After it saves, open the image and zoom in to check edges, text, and small details to make sure everything looks clean and crisp. This step is crucial, especially if you're using the image in a professional setting or for your online store, where every detail matters. You don't want to miss any subtle imperfections that could affect the overall look of your design. That's it. By using the Share button, picking the right format, and maximizing size when available, you'll consistently export high-quality images from Canva that look great wherever you use them, whether it's on your Shopify store, for social media posts, or in print materials. Follow these steps every time, and you'll ensure your designs are always looking their best. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more design tips and tutorials.